So I got the rings installed on 1 and 2, and rings oiled up properly, side skirts oiled up properly, rings oriented properly. For the orientation, Molly sent the directions where it's got a 2-piece oil ring. I've got a 1-piece oil ring. So basically you just want to spread them out, top, bottom, middle, so they're not directly together. I'm making sure my top and my bottom are 180 apart. And then number 1 and 2, I actually drew a little map here. So the top of the piston's this way. I'm putting the oil ring here. Number 2 over here, and then number 1 over here. So 1, 2, and then the oil ring up here. So that's kind of how I'm doing it. It'll be fine. And they say, if you've got proper clearance of your rings in the grooves, and that thing will move around on its own, those rings will go where they want anyway, so it really doesn't matter, I guess. Other than you better do it. If you don't, then you don't sleep at night. So I went ahead and did a little bit of I'm just gonna check the first 2. I know the guy who did the crank, so I'm not worried about the job on the crank, and it's obvious after checking the mains and now checking these rods. I can tell that it's right on the money, and I don't need to check the rest of them. I'm not going to. But once again, I put my gauge in here. It's just a little bit fatter than 020. So just a little bit more in 2000s clearance is what I got on the mains, and then on the connecting rods. So just right. So I'm going to go ahead and put the pistons in just the way it is, upside down like that, and then I'll put the back plate on and put it on the stand and finish it up. I'm going to go ahead and finish installing these pistons, get this thing done. I'm just so sick of this thing.